Now, in this problem here, we've got Danielle making a regular payment figure of $250 to a superannuation account paying 9.5%. We're after what she comes up with after 35 years in Part A. Now, please notice when we're asked to follow a formula or use a formula approach, that means we'll either make use of the annuities in advance formula or, as you've seen before, the sequence notation. In other words, the first order difference or recurrence equation case. Both are acceptable. You might find it actually easier to use the equation, as screens can occasionally appear to freeze when we make use of the sequence notation, particularly when we're dealing with 420 entries. Working this through, write the equation, list your repayment figure, and then work out the number of payments. Now this is happening for 35 years, 12 months, 420. The interest, that's where we've got a little bit more calculations take place. Now we'll end up with the following figure. Rule of thumb, I tend to stick in around about 8 or 9 digits if it keeps on recurring like that. Please make sure you show a reasonable number. Your calculator is able to handle it quite well. Putting this into the formula, we get the following. And you can see I end up with $841,472.74. In Part B, we discover that she needs to have or wants to have $1 million when she requires. Now clearly, under these conditions, she's going to have to invest more money into her account each month in order to achieve this. Now, the course document tells us that we don't have to do this algebraically, so in a moment I'll be working this through using my TVM solver. Now, in order to do Part B, we fire up our calculator and we choose the financial or the TVM solver. Now, in this case, 420 payments are made, 9.5%, the interest present value is 0. We want to earn $1 million. Payments per year 12, compounding 12. Now because we're making this payment at the beginning of the sequence, she starts earning interest from the very beginning. Hitting the payment selector, we get negative $297.09 or about 10 cents. Please note it's negative because it's coming out of her pocket. Now, you need to leave a paper trail if you wish to get your marks for this type of question. So I'll just show you how we can do that. So you can see the paper trail we have to leave. 420 payments, 9.5% interest, present value 0. She starts with nothing. Future value is the $1 million. PY, CY is equal to 12. And as a reminder at the end, the calculator set on begin. We use the end when we're looking at payments made after we've got the money. So that's the situation for mortgages and loans, etc. So the answer here, as we saw before, $297.10. Sometimes referred to as the repayment figure.